Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show 4 different kinds of summer drinks which is very healthy and delicious, which is exactly like a 5-star restaurant style. So if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and let me know your opinion through the comments. So without any further delay, let's straight into the video. So at first I'm going to prepare the orange juice. So here I take 2 peel orange slice. Now I'm going to add this one in a blender. After that I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of lime juice. This is completely fresh lime squeezing. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of mint slice. It will give a very fresh texture of the juice. After that I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 2 pinch of black pepper powder. I'm mixing all the ingredients together. Now I'm going to add honey, that is 2 tablespoons of squeezy honey. So I'm already add all the ingredients together. After that I'm going to add the water. All the ingredients I already add, and it will give a sweet and sour texture of the juice. Now I'm add here 200 ml of cold water. If you want, you can add the extra ice, but I'm not adding here any extra ice. So now I'm going to blend it for near about 10 seconds. My blending is almost done. So this is the look of my orange juice with lemon and mint slice. Now I'm going to start to preparing my second drink, that is Pink Lady apple smoothie. Here I'm taking one apple slice. I'm just put it in the blender. Then I'm going to add 100 ml of full cream milk, 100 ml of cold water, 1 tablespoon of vanilla ice cream. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of honey. Then I'm going to start to blending this juice for near about 10 seconds. So my smoothie is almost done. So this is the final look. Now I'm going to start to preparing my third drinks, that is banana smoothie with nuts. So here I take 2 peeled banana. I just cut it in a slice pieces. Now I'm putting all of them in my blender. After that I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of vanilla ice cream. Then I'm going to add 200 ml of cold milk. Then I will add 4 slices of hazelnut wafer, chocolate wafer, 1 tablespoon of cashew nut and 1 tablespoon of pista nut. Then I'm going to start to blending all the ingredients together. I'm going to blending this one for near about 10 seconds. So this is the look of my banana smoothie. Now I'm going to switch to preparing the strawberry with mint squash. Here I take 8 to 10 pieces of fresh strawberry. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of fresh honey. So I'm just adding only 4 ingredients to make the strawberry with mint squash. After that, I'm going to add 200 ml of cold water. Then I'm going to start to blending this one. Now I'm going to start to blending all the ingredients with cold water. I will blend it for near about 10 seconds. So this is the look of my strawberry with mint squash. So this is the final look of my 2 different kinds of smoothie and juice. Now I'm going to add 1 mint leaf in my orange juice with mint slice. After that I'm going to add 1 fresh strawberry in my strawberry squash. Then I'm going to add some cherries on my pink lady apple smoothie. Then I'm going to add some nuts on top of my banana smoothie. Here I'm taking some cashew nuts and pista nuts. Then I'm going to add 1 hazelnut with cocoa.